Welcome back to Prima.Law. As soon as you create your new account, you're going to want to set up your profile. So you do that by going up to the menu here, click on Update Profile, and the first tab here is going to be your information. So make sure your name is entered correctly, your email address should be there. Your photo, go ahead, click here to either choose a generic or upload your own custom photo for your profile inside the program. That's pretty useful when it comes to using the case management board and using the tasks module so you can actually see pictures of your coworkers. Again, pretty basic stuff here. EOIR, that's your immigration court practice number. Your bar number from your state will go here, and your licensing authority. So if it's the state of California or Michigan or District of Columbia, you'll put that in there. Let's go along the tabs up here because there's some really useful things. Firm information. Here's your logo. Upload your logo for your firm. That's going to be in 2000 wide by 560 pixel tall image. Of course, the name of your firm. A firm notifications email is a very useful thing. So what we recommend and what you'll want to do is have one email address or at least a plus email address. Right, so you can take any email address really and do a plus notifications, and that can be your notification email. Using email filters, using maybe a Google Team or a Google Group or Microsoft Team, you can send emails to the people in your firm who need the notifications for when a client uploads something to the client portal or other notifications that we have in Prima. We do have a leads module. So you can track the different status of your leads, and there is a form that you can embed on your website. There's a link to it. You'll create that link by clicking here. We do have two-factor authentication. You can enable that here, and there's some optional fields as well. We already showed you how to adjust your subscription. Custom case types, custom fields, that's covered in other videos, not necessary for setting up initially. Integrations here. One of the first services you're going to want to use is PrimaPay. This is how you can accept credit card payments, e-check payments, manage all your electronic payments, and they're directly built in to work perfectly with Prima.Law, with your payment plans, with your bills, your invoices, sending payment links to clients. Very low fees and very easy to use. So click this Create User button here to launch the workflow to get that set up. For sending text messages and text messages with images, we use Twilio. So we have instructions on how to connect those. You begin the process here. Zapier as well is a tool that we use. Google Calendar, you can sync it one way with the calendar inside of Prima. And of course, Practice Panther, you can import contacts from Practice Panther to start building out their immigration case in Prima. And for Clio as well. And with the Clio integration, it's a little nicer because it'll sync your contact information both ways. So if you make a change in Clio, it'll update it in Prima. If you make a change in Prima, it'll update it in Clio. Going down the line here, we have accounts, billing, right? So this will be for your billing rates. This will be for transactions for your trust account. Reports, you'll be able to generate reports for that as well. Client portal information. So you will upload an image. These dimensions is the maximum dimensions here. This will be on your client portal landing page. You'll also upload your client portal firm logo. So this is what your clients will see when they go to their client portal. And I've jumped ahead to make this a reality for you. So this is what it ends up looking like. You've got your beautiful law firm logo here. And whatever image you decide to put here, this could be your team, this could be of your office, this could be anything that speaks to you. Next tab here is going to be Lab. From time to time, we release new features, and sometimes we'll have them in a beta, so you can go in and actually start using them and let us know how it's working out for you and make suggestions. And lastly, we have case management board permissions. We'll go over this in more detail in another video, but when you're using your case management board, we've limited some permissions, and you can control that if you're the administrator on the account. So those are some of the first steps you're going to want to take as you create your Prima account. After this video, I recommend watching the one on creating custom case types. If you're an immigration attorney, we have plenty of predefined custom case types that are ready for you to use, over 130 of them, but you can also make your own here. So that's kind of neat. And lastly, just one last reminder, be sure that you go right to PrimaPay, click Create User, and start going through the onboarding process with our payments processor so you can be managing your payments. This is highly functional. There's a very professional dashboard that you can use with that. We have separate videos for that as well. And that's how easy it is to get set up using Prima.Law.